Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. If you do subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. If you are returning and you are already a subscriber, welcome back and thank you. Hello everybody and welcome back. Yesterday was Saturday and we went over to my mama's house for the Alabama and LSU game. We picked up some snack foods to share from a local restaurant we have called Roosters. Just got a couple of different types of wings, a big salad, some fries, and baked beans, and it comes with toast, and we just all kind of shared that for the game. That night I cooked the hamburger soup that I will list the recipe video for in the description box below. That night before bed we had some hot apple cider. Today was Sunday. We went over to my mama's house. My sister cooked breakfast for us. Her and my son made some cookies after, and I also have the ingredients for that and the directions and a couple of screenshots coming up after this clip if you'd like to screenshot those. Is it too soon to put a tree up now? Should we wait until after Thanksgiving? I don't know. My mama sure doesn't seem to think so. She likes them up early. She likes to look at them forever. Last part is the star to go on the top, and the tree's done. So cute. Now for lunch today, I just made these chicken Parmesan patties, and I just cooked some fries on the side of them. And this is what it looked like before it went in the oven, and this is what it looked like when they came out. It was all pretty good. We just ate the patties with the fries on the side. And for dinner, I wanted to cook beef stew. I actually started this a little earlier. What you'll need is celery, potatoes, onions, carrots, a can of V8, a can of corn, Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I did coat the beef stew meat in some flour, and I'll post a picture a little later after this clip to show you the beef stew meat that I bought. I'm just going to put everything together, season it, and let it cook. I let this cook on high for 2 hours, and then I turned it down on low for 6 hours. I didn't think there was enough salt in it when it was done, and I fixed my bowl. So right here I would probably add a full tablespoon of salt. There's a teaspoon of garlic powder and a half a teaspoon of pepper. Probably 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. This is the pack of beef stew meat I bought. I did trim the fat off of it and cut it into smaller bite-sized pieces. This is what it looked like when it was done. It was really good. The meat was very, very tender, and the potatoes and carrots were cooked perfect. This is going to wrap up our what we ate this weekend video. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and become a part of our family. Thank you all for coming back, and thank you for watching.